complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome Nexo. This is a listening class to hear what we learned in context and reinforce it through several conversations.
Great. Emma, I am ready to listen and practice.
Today, the situations are simple, real, and useful for daily life. Vocabulary, numbers 10 to 20. Grammar, do and does, auxiliary.
I like that, because short, real conversations help me remember.
Exactly, Nexo. So listen for the meaning first, and then notice the useful words. Now, let's start the main dialogues. At the grocery store. Hi, I need these apples and this bread.
Good morning. Do you have a store card?
No, I don't.
That's okay. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. How much is it?
It is $12.
Here is $20.
Thank you. Here's your change.
Does the receipt show the discount?
Yes, it does. Have a nice day.
Ordering pizza by phone.
Good evening, City Pizza. How can I help you?
Hi, I want one large cheese pizza.
Sure. Do you want anything to drink?
No, I don't. Thank you.
What is your address?
My address is 15 Oak Street.
Does your building have a front door code?
Yes, it does. The code is 20.
Great. Your pizza is $13.
Fine. Do you take cash?
Yes, we do. It arrives in 20 minutes.
Thank you. See you soon. Signing up for a gym class. Hello. I want a gym class today.
Welcome. Do you like yoga or dance?
I like yoga. Does it start this morning?
Yes, it starts at 10.
Great. Do I need special shoes?
No, you don't. Comfortable shoes are fine.
How many people are in the class?
There are 14 people today.
Nice. Does the class cost extra?
No, it doesn't. It is included.
Finding a lost phone. Excuse me, I don't see my phone.
I'm sorry. Where do you work today?
I work in room 12.
Does your phone have a red case?
No, it doesn't. It has a black case.
Do you know your phone number?
Yes, it ends in 19.
Please wait. I have one black phone here.
That's mine. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please sign this form.
Getting a library card. Hello, I want a library card.
Sure. Do you live in this town?
Yes, I do. I live near the park.
Great. Do you have an ID?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. What is your phone number?
It is 555-1620.
Good. Does this address look correct?
Yes, it does.
You can take 10 books.
Nice. Do I bring them back in 20 days?
Yes, you do. Enjoy your books.
Good work, Nexo. These real dialogues help us hear English in useful moments.
Yes, I noticed the numbers and the questions with do and does.
Excellent. Listening in context makes the grammar easier to remember.
Thank you, Emma. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome, Nexo, and goodbye to you and to all our viewers.